Hi guys, today we'll talk about how can you enable this sign or know how you can do that on your iPhone. So you just follow these ways, then it's going to work with you. All you have to do inverse, you just click on settings here. When you just click on settings, it's going to take you to your settings. It's going to show for you like this here. Then you go down, you just keep going down here. So until here you will find wallet in the Apple Pay. Just click on it. So then it's going to take you to this list. It's going to show for you like this here. You come here to contract here cards. You click in this sign, like you see here, this color show for us. That's mean it's enabled with us now. So that's all you have to do. I wish you know you are great. That's all. Thank you for your watching. Don't forget to support us by liking, subscribe.